In a landmark judgment, the Supreme Court of India has addressed critical questions regarding the summoning of advocates by investigating agencies under the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, 2023, BNSS. The case, 2025, INSC 1275, revolves around the protection of advocate-client privilege under Section 132 of the Bharatiya Saksha Adhiniyam, 2023, BSA, which corresponds to Section 126 of the Indian Evidence Act, 1872. Key highlights: advocate-client privilege. The court reaffirmed that communications between a lawyer and their client are protected under Section 132 of the BSA. Advocates cannot be compelled to disclose privileged information unless it falls under specific exceptions, such as communications made in furtherance of illegal activities or observations of crimes committed during the engagement. Summoning advocates. Investigating agencies cannot directly summon advocates representing accused persons to disclose case details unless the summons explicitly states the exceptions under Section 132. Such summons must be approved by a superior officer not below the rank of Superintendent of Police, with reasons recorded in writing. Judicial oversight. Advocates or clients can challenge such summons under Section 528 of the BNSS, ensuring judicial review of the investigating agency's actions. Production of documents and digital devices. While privileged communications are protected, the production of documents or digital devices is not covered under Section 132. However, any discovery from digital devices must be conducted under strict judicial oversight to protect the confidentiality of other clients. In-house counsel. The court clarified that in-house counsel employed by corporate entities are not entitled to advocate-client privilege under Section 132, as they are not practicing advocates under the Advocates Act, 1961. However, they may claim protection under Section 134 for confidential communications. Case citations followed. Jacob Matthew v. State of Punjab, 2005, 6 SCC 1. Vishaka v. State of Rajasthan, AIR 1997, SC 3011. M. V. Dabholkar, 1975, to SCC 702. Gangaram v. Habibullah 1935 SCC Online All, 310. Bar Council of India v. A.K. Balaji, 2018, 5 SCC 379. Akzo Nobel Limited v. European Commission European Court Reports 2010 I08301. This judgment is a significant step in safeguarding the rights of advocates and their clients, ensuring the sanctity of legal representation and the protection of fundamental rights under the Constitution of India. For any litigation support and legal advice, please send us an email at office@adrikalav.com.